the seat mount kit for the BMW F and G series and E90 and E92 cars, especially for the Recaro pole position. There is also an option of this kit to use it with universal bucket seats due to long holes in our side brackets. But in this case, we have the calculated position for our holes to use the Recaro pole position, as after the assembly you will sit right in the middle of the steering wheel and no adjustment is required. The base is made of 2 pieces to reduce the weight after we run through a stress simulation. There is no counterparts or nuts below the base plate required to reduce the assembly effort. The kit is not only designed but also completely manufactured in Germany. The goal was to have the lowest possible seating position without any offset in front of the steering wheel and to have a very stiff setup. The key point is safety first. This is why we run through simulations and FE analysis of every single component, and the kit comes with required mounting material. As an optional item, you can also order the slider for this kit.